Hello, namhlanje ngiza ne-Glister which is i-brand yethu yomlomo, right? Kule brand yethu sine-toothpaste, this is a traveling one. Mawuhamba, uphuma nje whether ne-family, whatever, this is a traveling one. Encane le. Usebenzisa engangeconsi. So this is a big one which is 151 mils. Lena sengiyisebenzisile, this is a 7-month. Musebenzisa uwedwa le uyisebenzisa for fully unyaka wonke iwu2. So usebenzisa ke into encane, that is why it lasts long, because ama product ethu are concentrated. Usebenzisa nje into encane engange Kinati, where are you now? Nanga, yabona. Then ulungisa umlomo wakho. Sino yenzani ke toothpaste yethu? Igcina ama bleeding gums yasiza kakhulu, noma engableedike emlonyeni nje. Yenza kube kuhle, ube healthy, umlomo wonke, ama cavities, ama plaques, even i-breath yakho ibe mnandi, uphinde unezezeleke lapho ngabo mouth spray, ube noma dental floss, ube no mouthwash, siwunakekele umlomo. Ngiyabonga.